In 60 seconds, connect a Namecheap or GoDaddy domain to Hostinger. Two options: switch name servers to Hostinger or point A records to Hostinger. Namecheap. Log in, open domain list, and click Manage. GoDaddy. Sign in, open My Products, then select your domain. In Hostinger, open Domains or Hosting Details to find name servers and the IP. Name servers delegate DNS to Hostinger. A records keep registrar services intact. Namecheap name servers. Choose Custom DNS. Paste Hostinger name servers and save. GoDaddy name servers. Manage DNS. Set to Custom. Enter Hostinger name servers. Save. A record method. Add an A record format to the Hostinger IP and name www to @ Then return to Hostinger and click Verify Domain. Enable Auto SSL after resolve. DNS propagation can take up to 24 to 48 hours. Usually it updates much faster. Done. Verify, wait for propagation, and your site will point to Hostinger.